In the late 1950s, NASA was eager to test how mammals reacted to space travel. They had already sent dogs, monkeys, and other animals into orbit, but some scientists proposed a new subject, a cat. Felines, with their highly developed vestibular systems, were thought to provide valuable insights into how mammals adapt to microgravity. NASA approved the experiment, but the mission was kept highly classified. A small black and white cat, given the name Tabby by some sources, was selected for the mission. She underwent rigorous training, similar to the dogs and monkeys before her. Scientists observed her agility, keen balance, and ability to twist mid-air. Believing these qualities might provide clues about how living creatures adjust to the effects of space travel. They placed her in various simulations to test how she responded to weightlessness and rapid motion. The results were promising, as she displayed an uncanny ability to stabilize herself, making her an ideal candidate for space travel. As the launch day approached, engineers worked tirelessly to create a specialized capsule for Tabby. The spacecraft was designed to monitor her vital signs, including heart rate, respiration, and neurological responses. Small cameras were installed inside to record how she reacted in microgravity. This data was invaluable for understanding how humans might fare in similar conditions. The mission was expected to last only a short period before the capsule returned to Earth, where scientists would retrieve the feline passenger and analyze her responses to spaceflight. On the day of the launch, there was a tense atmosphere at the Space Center. Scientists, engineers, and medical professionals gathered around screens, monitoring the spacecraft's ascent. As the countdown concluded, the rocket ignited, sending the small capsule hurtling into the sky. The world watched in awe as the historic mission unfolded. The early telemetry showed that everything was proceeding as planned. The capsule successfully entered microgravity, and the internal cameras captured Tabby adapting to the new environment with remarkable agility. For the first few minutes, everything seemed normal. Scientists were amazed at how quickly the cat adapted, floating effortlessly in zero gravity. She appeared calm, adjusting her balance and even playfully batting at loose objects inside the capsule. But then, something unexpected happened. The video feed from inside the capsule suddenly cut out. Telemetry signals became erratic. The engineers scrambled to re-establish contact, but no further data was received. The capsule continued its course, eventually following the trajectory for its scheduled return. As the capsule descended back to Earth, the recovery team prepared for its retrieval. They tracked its descent and pinpointed the landing site. When they reached it, they found the spacecraft largely intact, its hatch still sealed as expected. With great urgency, they opened the capsule, expecting to retrieve Tabby safely. But what they found instead left them stunned. The interior was completely empty. The team searched for any sign of the feline, checking to see if the hatch had malfunctioned or if there was any possibility she had escaped. But there were no signs of forced entry, damage, or malfunction. The straps that had originally secured the cat were undone, yet no one could explain how she had escaped. Some theorized that there had been a catastrophic failure that somehow caused the cat to be ejected before re-entry, yet there was no evidence of that either. The strangest theory was that the cat had reacted so intensely to microgravity that she had somehow phased through the walls of the capsule and vanished into space. Rumors and conspiracy theories spread in the years following the mission. Some suggested that NASA covered up the details to avoid public backlash over sending a cat to space. Others speculated that something much stranger had happened, an anomaly, a technical malfunction, or even an unexplainable event. NASA officially stated that technical malfunctions prevented them from properly tracking the cat, but this only fueled further speculation. Even today, discussions about the first feline astronaut continue to spark curiosity. What happened to Tabby? Was her disappearance a simple error in engineering, or did she experience something beyond scientific explanation? The true fate of NASA's first cat in space remains one of the most intriguing mysteries in space exploration history. Decades later, the question still lingers. What really happened to the first feline astronaut, and will we ever uncover the truth?